Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll understand how the TikTok ads auction works. So there is an automated auction which runs at the back end of TikTok where ads are made to compete with each other. So this competition is primarily to find a ad slot on the TikTok platform where ads can appear. Now the algorithm looks at various factors to decide which ads will win the auction. This is an automated auction where ads automatically compete with each other to win a spot on the TikTok's platform. So there are various factors like TikTok looks at the relevancy of the ad, it looks at the user experience, the ad relevance, user engagement. It also looks at the historical performance as well, like the click-through rate and conversion rate, along with it looks at the bids. So taking all of these into consideration, the winning ads are selected, which then shows up on the TikTok ads platform. So now here also certain scenarios can be wherein if you have a high quality ad, there are chances that you might be paying lesser bid and still you would be able to win the auction because TikTok would obviously prefer showing high quality ads on their platform. So if you are able to maintain a high quality of your ads, you tend to pay lesser bids in the longer period of time. So this is how the auction system will work at the back end of TikTok.